If you want to guess your way to make 10K a month, this video is definitely not for you. But this video is for the person who's looking at trading right now. You want a predictable stream of income. You do not want to have guesswork. You want to have structure for yourself. Hey, my name is Ryan, and I'm going to show you literally step by step how to build a proper game plan for yourself to make 10K plus per month as a trader. Even if you're a brand new trader, having a structured game plan is the single most important thing that you need to find success. Most traders actually fail into their career because they fail to plan. So if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. If you're working a job right now full time, you have a busy schedule, and you want a predictable stream of income, I'm going to show you why you should look at trading as a more salary-based perspective rather than a casino or lottery-based perspective. So let's go ahead and press refresh right here. And this right here is called the calculatorsite.com. Let's kind of get into, like, if I have $1,000 to begin into my career, right? I have a 1K starting balance in budget for my trading income. So how would I actually grow to 10K a month if I have no experience and I want to have a proper structure for myself? So trading is just not guesswork. You know, I have no time to play. I want to actually take it serious. So you want to aim for 7% profit every single day. It's called the rule of 7%. Now, over the span here of 30 trading days, focus on Monday through Friday, and let's actually begin on a fresh Monday and press calculate. As you can see right here, I know it sounds small, but with the 1K balance right here, you're going to be bringing in a profit of 3.4K return on investment every single month. Now, I love this site because you're able to see, all right, day one makes 70 bucks, day two makes 75, day three is 80, right? And you're able to see a predictable stream of income that's growing day by day, so you get to your overall goal, which is the 4.3K at the end of the month. Now, Ryan, why is it so important to have a compound interest game plan when looking at a new market as a beginner? Let me show you. Because as you're thinking and making more money from trading, and so imagine it like this. So imagine you're on a big slope, right? You're on a big ramp, right? And you're a small snowball. There's a bunch of snow on this ramp, right? The more that you go down this ramp and down this ramp, your snowball gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and so does the speed of how fast the snowball is going down the ramp, and it's going fast and fast and fast, right? That's exactly how the snowball effect works in the stock market, and let me explain. So this right here is 3.4K over the span here of 30 days. Now, what if I were able to add just 20 more days and made it 50 right here? As you can see, adding 20 more days, now I've made a profit return of 10.4K return on investment in just 50 days of trading. So yes, you're able to literally spend time 50 days to make 10K, and you're able to make this money, guys, and I'm talking about in 1 to 2 hours every single day. So you don't have to even quit your job 9 to 5 to do this. And what's funny is people wake up every single day and want to make this right here, 400 bucks a day, 500 bucks a day, or even 1,000 a day. But once you have an actual game plan and an actual structure for yourself, you are actually able to understand that there is no point to rush the vibe. So take it literally day by day, right? So day one, 70 bucks, right? Week two, making 100 bucks in a day, right? Week three, 130, right? You need structure. I see a lot of traders fail with no mentorship, no guidance, because they don't have a structured game plan. Even people I know who are in programs, they don't even talk about using a proper structure because they don't even know what it means to be profitable. I mean, I'm making right now about 10, 20K plus per month on average as a trader. But I want to show you right now, the most important thing right here to actually focus it on is the weekly game plan. So why is that? So 310 is your first week profit target. Week two is 527. Week three is 740. So I'm literally giving you the sauce on how to make 10K a month, and I hope right now you're taking notes. If you're not, I don't know what to say, because trading right now could literally change your life if you allow it to do it. And I'm telling you right now, I'm going to give you the sauce on how to actually get to this goal step by step. All right, so if right now you're actually serious about this goal, right, I want you to write this down. There's a game plan that's called the rule of 2020, and risk management is your key and secret to make it out of this market. So the rule of 2020 means that you want to risk 20% of your portfolio on every single trade, and then take a profit of 20% and up also on every single investment. So if I'm beginning here in my portfolio with a 1K starting balance, right? I'm very passionate about risk management, by the way. This is just a side note. All right. So with $1,000 right here, 20% of your portfolio is going to be 200 bucks on every single trade, right? So imagine that I have 5 fingers, right? I have 200 bucks, 400, 6, 800, and 1,000, right? This is 5 different opportunities to make a bag from trading in the stock market, right? People are losing because they're doing this. They're trying to fight the market. They're doing one trade of their whole portfolio into the market. This right here is a recipe for disaster because the stock market, best believe it fights back. And when it fights back, that boy know how to punch. He got hands for you, right? So think about it like this. If you want to win, you want to have an arsenal of 5 different weapons: knife, gun, bomb, stick. I'm just joking, but seriously, have 5 different ways to approach the market, 5 different trades. This allows you to have the freedom to take a loss, right? Have winning trades, right? And still hit your goal, every single day. So now you know that each trade that you take right now with a 1K balance, you want to put about $200 into each trade, give or take, right? So on the same money right here, times the money right here, times 0.2. So this right here is how much you're making. So 20% profit on every single trade. So your average profit goal right now, I know it sounds small, it's $40. Ryan, what in the world is $40? That can't pay for an oil change. That can barely pay for a steak dinner. I can't pay for a salmon, nothing, right? But think about it like this. So $40 is one trading profit target, right? So what if you take 2 trades for the day? That's $80. Now that might take you 30 minutes, an hour or 2 to make $80, which sounds small, but $70 is your first day and your first profit target for the day. So each day that you're making more and more money, understand that your profit target is growing every single day. But after just 2 trades for yourself, you're able to be literally done for the day. You can go back to your job, back to your schedule, back to your business, and just in 2 trades, you're able to literally make your profit goal for the day. And the more that you have a take profit target hit every single day, after the whole week ends, you're able to have your whole profit target hit. And this right here, guys, is me under promising you. Making $70 in the market is really simple with a 1K account. I'm talking about very simple. So I'm showing you what it takes to make 10K a month as a very beginner at a beginning framework. And I have a lot of more videos that kind of cover more about beginning frameworks, but write this down. Having a structured game plan, it doesn't matter if you're going to put 2K into your account, you need to have a plan of action. So with the account size here of 2,000, and my typical student probably puts about 1,000 or 2 into their account. So with 2K on the spend here in 30 days, as you can see, you're going to be making a profit target right here about 6.8K return on investment, right? So you can literally play with these numbers and see what your reality is. But the bottom line is right here, guys, is if you want to win in this market right now, please write this down. Make sure you have a structured game plan. It is repeatable, it's predictable, and you know exactly what you want to attain and grow to every single day. Because if not, you're merely driving through Houston with no GPS, you have no structured, and you're literally going to be running into oblivion. And I do not want that for you. Many new traders, they're failing because they're not able to get this type of information. And I'm giving it to you today for free. I don't know who needs to hear this, but listen, making more money does not mean to work 3, 4, 5 different jobs. What if I can tell you right now that you could have your time freedom for yourself by just focusing on your main income stream and then trading on the side? The first year and a half into my career, I lost so much money, I literally quit 3 different times. Like, it bit me in my ass. Like, I was like, man, this shit is not for me. I'm gonna just go back and go clock back in. I'm tired of this, right? Now, if I would have quit, I would not be living in a penthouse right now at age 24. So if I was a beginner right now, I would find somebody who actually walked the same path that you want to walk on and then learn from them directly so you're able to avoid all of the mistakes that they made for themselves into their trading career. I want to actually hold you accountable personally because this is not a small thing. I mean, I know this is a big channel here on YouTube, but I'm talking right now to my younger self. If I were to start trading right now and investing right now, I would skip the line, save time, and get fast tracked to success. And that's exactly what mentorship can do for your life. But see, the thing about it is you don't have the person to hold you accountable to this yet. And now I can be the person for you. So if you're serious right now, I actually have pinned below in my comments and also into my description a link for my program for the mentorship. Now I know what you're thinking. Now, why do I need to have mentorship if I have a free channel right here that has free game? Let me tell you why. Trading right now is an income stream that can make you 5, 10, 15, 20K plus per month. So don't treat it like one of these other little side shows and Netflix, I'm watching for entertainment. No, this income stream could change everything for you. I don't care if 3K a month sounds small to you, but to my students, that's paying their rent. 5K, that's paying rent, card notes. 10K, that's travel money, vacation money. You're able to literally live a life of freedom. And I have literally a bunch of videos into my channel that's covering, other students that have found success. But the bottom line is here that you want to make it right now. You need someone to hold you accountable, and that's what I can do for you. So I look forward to seeing you inside my program for my mentorship. And if you want to see some more videos about trading and how to actually study the chart patterns, this video right here actually covers how to look at market structure, which is the study of the chart patterns. And I want you to watch it directly after this video right now. So I look forward to seeing you in my community. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.